Have a messy room and set a goal to clean it. If you summon to energy to tidy up, then you will have a clean room for now. But if you maintain the same sloppy pack rat habit that lead to a messy room in the first place, soon you will be looking at a new piles of clutter and hoping for another burst of motivation. You are left changing the same outcome because you never change the system behind it. You treated a symptom without addressing the cause. Achieving a goal only change your life for the moment. That is the counterintuitive things that improvement. Think we need to change our result, but the result are not the problem. What we really need to change the system that code those results. When you solve problem at the result level, you only solve them temporarily. In order to improve for good, you need to solve problem at the systems level. Fix the input output and the outputs will fix themselves. You can learn lots of things from this passage. You will be looking फ्यूचर कंटिन्यू टेंस है ए न्यू पिल सोप मीन्स पिल सोप क्या होता है ढेर कूड़े का ढेर होता है जो या किसी भी चीज़ का आर लेफ्ट ये क्या है सिंपल प्रेजेंट पैसिव वॉइस आर लेफ्ट नीड टू प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म हमें करने की ज़रूरत है वी नीड टू चेंज आवर रिजल्ट हमें रिजल्ट चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है इन ऑर्डर टू के लिए fix the input and the output will fix themselves means combination sentence okay imperative plus simple future tense. Thank you so much friend, let's see in the next video.